One of my assessments when I first started working in the field of plant-based nutrition was that there were so many incredible things happening that seemed to be siloed, that it was hard to figure out that all of these efforts were really talking about the same thing. And so my hope and dream was to connect the dots. Plant Powered Metro New York is really to help people from many different walks of life who are working in many different areas of community to try to show that plant-based nutrition can have a unified message, a unified voice, and yet express all the diversity of our communities in the process of intervening and saying, hey, there's another way to eat, there's another way to live. This movement can't wait for the medical establishment to change. We know people are hurting every day, and we can do so much right now with who we have and the resources that are already inherent in communities